Okay, today I want to talk about DoctorX meme coin, which is hosted on the Ion network. So it's a tap to earn cryptocurrency that requires you just tap in at least once every 12 hours. So the beautiful thing about DoctorX is that from time to time they will have a coin, and so the benefit of having a coin is that it gives you the opportunity, or it gives the coin opportunity to resist inflation. So definitely when it's going to be finally launched in December 4th, then you can be sure that the coin Dr. X will have value. And so that's why I want to recommend this coin to you. As I said earlier on, it's on the Ion network. Other partners are Eyes, Sunwave. So these are some of the partners on the ION network. So here you could see Seal. Seal is also part of the ION network. So as for Dr. X, the first earning, the when you start initially, the earning rate is at 64, but subsequently it's going to be halved. I think probably every uh, 1 week, every 7 days, they will have the network. So you can see on October 9th it is 64. By 16th it goes to 32. So you're encouraged to sign up with Dr. X. So if you want to earn more Dr. X, you can invite people. So for every single person you invite to the Dr. X network, 2000 Dr. X will be given to you. So there are some tasks that is expected of you on the network. You're expected to claim your nickname. You're expected to start earning. So when you complete each of these tasks, it takes you up to a higher level. You're expected to follow them on X, join the Telegram community, and invite at least 5 friends. So as I've said earlier on, it's just a meme coin. It does not have any major utility, but it's a fun coin, and it's easy to mine or tap. So you don't need to start searching out for a name. Just go to Play Store. You'll find the app right there. In my description box of this video, I've added a link for you so that you can also download and join the community. So distribution mining is going to be ending December 4th. So that's when mining is going to stop, and then distribution will follow. And so I want to encourage you that you could earn substantial amount of money from this platform, basically because of the institution of halving, which helps it to resist inflation. So go ahead and introduce your friends to Dr. S network. I promise you're going to enjoy it. It is part of the Eyes Open network. Thank you.